You have to tell me. 3, 2, 1.
2, 1, action.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Thing. Last week we showed you this hidden cove in Los Gigantes, and this time we plan to go camping in Chio, but wasn't possible because it's closed for COVID. So we changed the idea again.
So today we've decided to do a little local hike. It's quite local to the tourist hotspots of Las Américas. Going to hike up to the top of Roque del Conde. I don't know if you've seen it before. It's like the flat mountain you can see from Adeque in Las Américas. Just a short hike, 10k. We're going to post the link down below so you can download the route if you want to do it. And we'll update you when we're at the top. Cheers guys.
See you later. We did it! To the top.
How was the climb up here, Betty?
Hard, but we like goat. And we do everything. Yes, we can.
Yeah, we're at the top.
Again.
We're at the top of Roque del Conde. You can see some amazing views of all the south coast from up here. I'm going to show you some pano shots in a minute. I don't know if you can see behind us, like all the terraces. Like some crazy people obviously used to farm up here. Madness. Anyway, now we're gonna move on up to the next mountain and maybe find some water.
So now from the top we're walking back down. This is Roque Moque, and we're gonna walk all around there for going back to the start point down there. So let's start again.
As you see guys, coming down this way is a bit more treacherous.
Not for Molly.
Yeah, not for Molly obviously. It just breezes through. But for us and Evie there, it's much worse. It's a bit of rock climbing. See, we have to carry Evie down because it's a bit scary for her, not for Molly. She doesn't give her a duck. Come on, Betty, let's go.
Whoopee!
And now we must go down this path. I don't know where the path is, but we're going to find it. Okay guys, so we have just come down from Conde and now we're going to go up, up this way. But if you wanted to just walk Conde from here, you could walk directly down here and it'll take you back to the start. And look, there's some horses there.
Ooh, horses. Oh. Yeah, that's it.
Anyway, let's crack on, get up the mountain. Hey guys, so just a little update. We are 7.2 k's into the hike. We've just come through the valley in between Conde and Immerke. Then we're going to basically spin around like this direction. Well, I won't go too far that way. Betty's just taking a piss. You finished? Yeah. And then we're going to basically go up this way, round and down that way, back to the start. Look at this beautiful Grango here. We have more farming terraces. Oh look, and over here they actually are growing something. What is that, Betty?
Cactus.
No, it's not. Come here.
Oh, they're growing.
Oh, it's green.
Probably so. It's green.
It's olives.
Yeah.
They're growing olives.
Yeah. Potatoes.
What's Evie doing?
Josh thinks that he found some water again. And you, Josh?
I have, look. Come here, water fans. I've got a treat there for you. I can see, I'm right up here, you see this screen? That is a famous sign of water. Be careful up here, Betty. It's dangerous. Oh my god. We've only got a river here. We have got a river. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Look. Completely natural.
Ooh, look! There is also
Mint.
peppermint growing.
And basil.
No, basil, no, it's not basil. But
Okay.
yeah. He actually did it. He found some water, so he's happy. And I found some mint. No, it's actually peppermint, so mojito tonight. Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay.
So Josh found this little beautiful fountain in the water, in the mountain. Yeah. And we go back. Where to?
Back to the car, no?
Perfect, yeah.
Back to the studio. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment and share.